Yep.
Yo, I'm gonna keep it a stack. Any vehicle that I sit in after King Zeke has already adjusted it makes me feel like I'm a little kid. It makes no sense. He told me I have to start this thing so I can hear it.
Gotta start it. Put it in track. Put it in track.
I don't care what you say, it still sounds good. Alright, she's in track mode. She's in track mode.
Yes! Finally, yes, dude. Uh-huh.
I haven't gotten to 5,000 yet. I'm afraid to. Nah.
Yep.
Nah.
Yep.
And no, all jokes aside though, so I had to bring this into the garage because he had to go run up and take care of something. I'm afraid of this thing. I drive a manual Hellcat. This ain't nothing special.